Our Earth has many different varieties of living organisms, and some of them are too small to be seen with the naked eyes. There are so many small creatures we are unaware of. Organisms can be multicellular or unicellular. Unicellular organisms are very small in size as compared to multicellular ones. Living organisms have the capability to reproduce easily. They have different sizes from few nanometer to tens of meter. Here we have made a list of some of the smallest living organisms you might have not heard about. 10. Sea urchins. They are very small in size and have a globular structure. They belong to the class Echinoidea and have a spiny body. They are mainly found in oceans. They are found in so many different varieties of colors like olive, green, purple, red, blue, brown and black. Sea urchins have a size of around 1.2 inches and their maximum size can be 3.9 inches. They survive on algae and their predators include sea stars, triggerfish, wolf eels and sea otters. They are very small in size and have a globular structure. They belong to the class Echinoidea and have a spiny body. They are mainly found in oceans. They are found in so many different varieties of colors like olive, green, purple, red, blue, brown and black. Sea urchins have a size of around 1.2 inches and their maximum size can be 3.9 inches. They survive on algae and their predators include sea stars, triggerfish, wolf eels and sea otters. 9. Starfish. Many of you must know how a starfish look like. They have many different sizes and colors. They belong to the class Asteroidea. Starfishes can be found in depth of 600 meters in the ocean. As the name suggests, starfish looks like a star and have a round disc-like structure in the center of the body. There are many different species of starfish found all around the world, with Pteriella parvivipara the shortest among them. 8. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumbers are among echinoderms which belong to Holothuriidea class. They are found all over the world and live near the sea floor. Their skin has a leathery texture and their body is elongated in shape. They communicate by sending hormone signals to each other in the water. They have a typical size ranging between 3.9 to 11.8 inches. The smallest sea cucumber is Samathuria ganapati, which has a size of 4 millimeters. They have a cylindrical body and do not have arms, usually found in echinoderms. 7. Beetles. This is another creature on the list you must have already heard about. Beetles are winged creatures and contains a pair of wings, hence they are called coleoptera. They are found in every part of the Earth except polar region and marine. There are around 35,000 to 40,000 species of this animal found on Earth. The smallest of all the species of beetles is Cytocella musawacensis. The size of this species is around 300 micrometer, just enough to fit on your fingertip. 6. Eriophyidae. Eriophyidae belongs to the family of mites and are plant parasites. They are commonly found on the leaves of the plants and damage the leaves. They are also known as gall mites as they cause galls in plants. They can be found in pinkish, yellowish or purplish shades. They resemble worms and have 2 pair of legs. Their size can range between 125 to 250 millimeters. 5. Crustacean Stygotantulus stock. Crustacean belongs to the group of arthropods, and this group have animals very much familiar to us like shrimp, lobsters and crabs. Crustaceans have very different variety of creatures in them which have different shapes and sizes. They are mainly found in marine or fresh water, but some are also found on terrestrial environment. The smallest of them is Stygotantulus stocki, which has an average length of 0.1 millimeters. Their body is segmented into 3 regions: head, thorax and the abdomen. 4. Eukaryotes. Any organism that has a membrane is called as eukaryotes. There are many types of eukaryotes found on Earth, ranging from animals, plants, fungi as well as unicellular creatures. Eukaryotes reproduce through mitosis as well as meiosis. Among the wide variety of eukaryotes, Prasinaptes are the smallest one. Prasinaptes is green algae and the size of them is 0.8 micrometer. These creatures are mainly found in marine waters and are free-living organisms. 3. Nanoarchaeum. They belong to the category of marine archaea. They are thermophile as they can survive in a temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. They need an environment which has a pH of around 6. These microbes have a size of 400 nanometers and they need a saline concentration in the environment of 2% for their growth. They survive on a host. They cannot synthesize their own lipids, amino acids and nucleotides. They are found in circular shape and has an extra membrane that protects them from the external environment. 2. Mycoplasma genitalium. Found in respiratory tracts and primate genital, Mycoplasma genitalium is a kind of small bacterium. They are said to be the second smallest kind of bacterium. These organisms are responsible for much kind of genital diseases and found as parasites. They are found in different types of sizes which have a range from 200 to 300 nanometers. Infection due to them is seen very commonly in humans and can be treated using antibiotics. 1. NANOBES. They are the smallest living creatures found on Earth. Their size is very small as compared to that of bacteria. They are just 1/10 of the size of bacteria. It was a debate whether they are non-living or living organisms, but since the technology has advanced manifolds, it is found that they can reproduce and contains DNA. Their typical size is around 20 nanometers.